Hey guys, it's Jen here from Wrenching on Cars. We finally got our August tuner crates in. Still missing June and July, which kind of sucks. I keep emailing Tuner Crate, but they keep giving me the information for this box, even though I send them different tracking numbers. So, I have Pat's. And then, if I can get it out, the Tuner Girl Crate. Now, one thing with Tuner Crate that was amazing that I haven't seen too many companies is they actually sent us a big, huge bonus of 2,000 reward points for Pat's birthday. So my box was actually free.
So we're gonna have the same issue where your box and the mailbox can be the same thing.
Oh, it's gonna be worse.
Okay.
Pretty sure we both already have this shirt.
No, we don't have that shirt.
I don't know. I think I do.
I've never seen it.
I got that bumper sticker. Oh, this is what I'm excited about.
Ooh, Pennzoil. That is cool. It's like an old school rag.
It is one of the rags I used to use in automotive, like same style. Like you can buy them from I think it's like Sun something.
Okay.
Canadian Tire. But I love these rags. These are great for oil changes. I use mine especially with my oil filter wrench. I find it makes a great grip.
Wait, open it up.
Super thin, but super absorbent. Yeah, they just a string.
Oh, okay. Cool. Sorry.
Hey.
Aw, lame.
Yeah, but you know what? We're all wearing these this time.
What about the other side?
It's just black. Damn. Waterless wash. That's a good thing to have this time of year because right now everything's getting dirty. It's rainy. It's gross. That's cute. I like that.
The Nissan 370Z.
50th anniversary. Green light. Hey, what is this? I see sunglasses.
Are they actually sunglasses?
Yeah, they are actually sunglasses, and they are
Carbon fiber. What's that in the corner?
That is their logo, it looks like.
That corner of the glass.
Looks like a little logo.
Alright.
What do you think?
I think I gotta take a quick picture of it. Good.
Looks like a track. A 3D printed track.
Looks like New Zealand.
You think that's what it is?
No.
I was gonna say, what track would that be, though? Oh, wait.
I don't know. Circo de Monaco. De Monaco. Nice.
That might be that.
Wow, I don't see the resemblance, but alright. 3D print better.
Coaster.
Speed Demon.
Mint. I'm putting that on my work vest.
Yup. Lambo. Looks like a Lambo, or it kind of looks like a new Corvette. I don't know. Something.
They don't say, unfortunately.
It's supercar. Why do they always have to put a chick on a car and ruin it? Like, who cares? We want to see the cars, man.
Yeah.
I like to drive fast. Is that stickers, or?
Yeah,
they are. Pick your car sticker pack.
I'd probably pick that one.
Is that a Porsche?
28? What?
Is that a Porsche?
Might be.
That kind of looks like a BRZ. Yeah, alright.
And
Toyota.
then they got the bigger one.
Ugh.
Apparently we all want a girl in lingerie.
Wait, what is that car anyways? FRS maybe? It looks like the FRS. Or the BRZ. I don't know. And let's go right into the burn pile.
Alright.
So that is the girl
I got
crate.
sunglasses and a pin. And a face mask.
So what,
And this I'm kind of glad about. I was going to buy some of these.
so what do you think is the best part of this crate?
Honestly, I actually like most of it this time.
Okay.
Just because, like, I was going to buy a bunch of these anyway because the fact I love these rags. Need face masks all the time because of everything that's going on right now. Can never go wrong with sunglasses. And this time of year, this is a great thing to have.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is, I'm going to pass the camera to Jen, and we're not going to upload two different videos. We're going to make one whole video, and we're going to see how different the male crate and a female crate is. What's the cut on the shirt? Is it a female cut or is it a...
Just unisex.
All right, unisex cut. Okay.
Yep, just unisex cut.
All right. So then Jen's gonna come and sit where I am, and then she's gonna stand over my shoulder like I did with her, and we're gonna do the crate thing.
Alrighty.
So you got it?
We got it.
All right, stand back. Seat.
Move stuff in my way.
All right, so now we're gonna do the mail crate. As you can see, there's no cool sticker on it like there usually is.
Yeah.
The box. I like how the box look. They put time in the box, right?
I think it's the same box. It's just it is a nice box. It's high quality.
Yeah, it's what it is.
So even if it's the same box, it's still cool every time.
All right, now you're gonna stand behind my shoulder, aimed at the box. All right, here we go. Who says in the comment that it's gonna be the same thing as the female crate? We're gonna wait. What do you think, Jen?
Oh, I think it's gonna be the same.
You think it's gonna be exactly the same?
100%. Except the t-shirt size will be different.
I think it's gonna be the same t-shirt as well. I think it's gonna be all the same.
I think that should be a legit game. Pac-Man, but with cars.
Oh, somebody could probably mod it. All right, here we go. What's in the box?
Oh, this is actually different.
I'm amazed, but it's not. So
Yeah.
this
Same
you've already
one.
seen.
Yep.
The Lino.
Which I know it's a camo. You're not gonna wear it when we get the Phoenix.
No.
No.
LA Speed.
Okay.
Cool.
That works for you because your Subi is actually a 3-pedal car.
Yeah, but it's child size. Oh no.
It's
Okay.
large.
The man pedal.
Yep.
Yeah.
The third pedal.
Yeah. No. No thanks. Hey, look at that. What do we got here? It's the Pennzoil, but it's different. I'm gonna grab Jen's. Oh no, it is. I thought yours was yellow when I looked at it.
No.
Okay, so we have 2 rags. So far, the only thing different is the t-shirt.
Sunglasses.
Same sunglasses.
Same
car. Same sticker, except mine was broken, as you can tell, so that's always fun. Mint. Spray. Monaco, I mean.
Don't mind his mispronunciation. He is French.
A piece of a metal, aluminum, whatever. Same card.
Same girl.
Same thing. So unfortunately, there's no. This is why we stopped going with Tuna Crate. We stopped Tuna Crate 100% because here is the big difference. Here it is. It's a big difference. So if you guys ever think about buying this for your girl, just don't waste your time.
If you actually go onto Instagram, there is a tuner cult that has some really cool girls themed stuff for automotive fans.
So here is your big difference, guys. For everybody that wants to know the difference between a girl crate and a guy crate. That's it, that's all.
And
The
which, if
t-shirt.
you look at the last videos, the t-shirts were the exact same.
Yep. So very, very, very disappointed. Not a fan, and that's why we decided to stop with them for now. Also because like we're missing 2 crates.
June and
sit
July.
Want to sit there?
Sure.
So we're missing 2 crates. So we're missing 2 crates, like Jen said. You know, June and July, and that's not cool. These things are not cheap.
No.
How much are they?
This one was like $114 after taxes because one of the 2 crates was free.
Yeah. So you're looking at least 120, we'll say, for the crates.
Comes almost to $200.
Yeah. And that's not cheap. And now that we're missing 2, yeah, that's what.
And the every time I email them, I still keep getting information for the wrong crates, even though I keep sending them different tracking numbers.
Yeah, so honestly, there's nothing in here I'm going to use. We're probably just going to use the rag, for me, at least.
I don't know, I might wear the
That's
man
it.
pedal shirt when I drive Pat's car.
Yeah. But apart from that, that's it. Like, it's highly disappointed that they must have female workers over there at Tuna Crates. There has to be.
Mm-hmm.
And why not make an actual shirt for a girl? Have a low cut. Have the shorter sleeves. Why not do it? Is it really that much expensive? Is that really much harder?
Well, it's like when I go into their Overstock. In their Overstock, they had a Tuner Girl water bottle. They had in the Overstock, they have a Tuner Girl water bottle. They have a dad cap for girls. They have a blue tank top that says Tuner Girl on it. Why did they stop with the girl items?
Yeah. Not happy. You?
No.
Disappointing.
Like I like stuff in this crate, but not for the price that they are.
Is it worth going back?
Not in this moment.
No, not for us. And
everything that I'd buy from Tuner Crate right now is just in their overstock.
Yeah. There's nothing that makes it
the subscription worthwhile.
Exactly, and that's the issue that we're having with it right now is that it's just no, it's not worth it.
At first it was, not anymore.
At first we had like t-shirts, sweatshirts. We had all sorts of cool stuff.
Oh, the sweatshirt we got in like one of the first boxes. I wear that all the time. That sweatshirt.
Yeah, I just flipped the camera over to me.
Yeah.
So yeah, the sweatshirts were cool. The shirts were cool. Everything was good. The quality was awesome. Like look at one of the t-shirts. We don't wear it. It has a long sleeve with the koi shirt we have. That's cool. Look at the cars. Like everything is so much nicer, and now it's not, and it's really horrible that it's not that good anymore. Why am I looking over there? Should we be looking there? And my eyes just keep going over there. I'm like, hey, what's over there? Nothing. So now we're back to Jen. Close it off.
Well, guys, like I said, if you have any other takes on subscription boxes, especially or even girl-themed automotive gear, let us know. I love to have, a couple Ricer shirts, a couple Ricer items in my house, and there's nothing for girls.
Yep.
If you know of anything, or if you know anybody who knows of anything, hook us up.
Yep. And we'll post it here, and if we get something from you guys, we will actually be like, yeah, if we end up finding something, we'll say from one of our subscribers, hey, go here and get this. We'll just, hey, this is a subscriber that told us to do it. You know what I mean? It's no big deal. We can do that.
We'll shout it out. We'll shout out the company that you mentioned that you enjoy. We'll post it on here.
Yep. All right, guys. Thanks.
Have a good one.
Bye.